In seconds, say what matters. Shares of Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone continued their downward slide today, falling nearly 2% to trade at around 1,369 rupees apiece. This marks the sixth straight session of losses for the stock, driven by rising concerns over its key asset in Israel amid the escalating Israel-Iran conflict. The war, now in its sixth day, has seen Iran launch over 400 missiles and hundreds of drones at Israeli targets. According to official statements, 24 people have died, over 800 are injured, and nearly 3,800 residents have been evacuated from high-risk areas. Adani Ports, which owns a majority stake in the strategically important Haifa port in Israel, acquired the asset in 2023 for $1.18 billion. While Iran targeted the Haifa port and a nearby oil refinery over the weekend, Adani Group has clarified that operations at their terminal remain unaffected. Sources confirm that shrapnel landed at the chemical terminal and the Kishan West section of the port, but no injuries were reported and cargo operations continue as usual. Still, investor concerns persist over the risk of future disruption if tensions escalate further. Over 14 lakh shares of Adani Ports were traded today on the NSE by 2:30 p.m. The stock has lost over 6% in the last 5 sessions, though it remains up 13% over 6 months. However, it's still down around 5% on a year-on-year basis. With a current PE ratio of 27, market participants are likely to stay watchful amid growing uncertainty in the Middle East. Hush sauce, money control. Stay tuned on this short for more such updates.